Hello to all. I am unboxing a Zaffiri Precision Glock 19 barrel. It just came in a USPS priority mail box. It has this little tidbit of information here. It came with the sticker, and the barrel came wrapped up in this foam-like material. And inside you see the barrel. Comes sealed up. It's kind of oily on this, and oh, it smells like peppermint. Oh no, wintergreen. Oh wow, I don't know why it smells like that. It smells like lifesavers. I'll put it on here for right now. So I'm not sure what kind of oil or coating's on it, but it's on there, and it smells exactly like wintergreen lifesavers. I don't know what's going on with that. But here's the barrel, and you guys can see there's, man, I don't know what's on it. Not necessarily bad, but so this is a Glock 19 barrel, threaded. This barrel is 4.6 inches and a 1 in 10 twist rate. 416R stainless steel. They engraved their logo there. 1/2 by 28. And they have a nice looking crown on that barrel too. I'm going to get something and clean this barrel up and I'll be right back. All right, I cleaned the outside of the barrel, but the smell of wintergreen is still very present. And this is a great looking barrel. However, I cleaned off the outside. I did not clean off the inside. You guys see that in there? I'm gonna see if I can get the light at a better angle. But man, or I might use this. I swear I had oh, here we go. Not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see that. Man, it is, oh wow. You guys see how dirty it is down there? I'm not sure what's going on there, but I have a boar snake nearby. I'm going to clean this out real quick, see what it looks like. All right, I ran the boar snake through it, and it is looking a lot better. Look at that. Looks very nice and very clean now. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with the smells and what was down the barrel. But other than that, it's a very nice looking barrel. I have the Zaffiri G17 slide and one of their ported barrels here. And I absolutely love that gun so far. So it was a no-brainer. I was looking at Killer Innovations, Lantac. That I was really looking hard at the Lantac, but it's like $300. But then this one is fluted, gold threaded, $190 shipped, and I already like the product. So this was a much easier decision for me to make. It's going to be replacing this barrel right here. This is a Combat Armory barrel, very cheap. I think it's like $80–90, but this barrel works. This has been my main suppressor Glock barrel right here. Works, no issues there. But I'm gonna replace this barrel, throw it in there, and hopefully it looks really great under all those slide and window cuts. All right, so not a bad looking combo. I already scratched it up. Jeez, just one little cycle right there. I'm starting to question this barrel now, but I kind of wish the You might say this shoulder was a little bit shorter. I have a comp coming and I want it to sit as close as possible without interfering with the slide. But like how you can see all those flutes under there. That's a good looking barrel. But let's see how much the top skin scratched up. We'll see. I'm almost done with this. I just need the comp, and I'm getting some different spring weights for this build right here. But I'll update you guys once I do a shooting video and everything with it. Hopefully this is a nice accurate barrel. Thanks for watching.